Hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to the Custom Adventurist. So today we will be comparing the AirPods Pro to the AirPods Gen 3. Alright, so let's get right into the packaging. Let's start off with the AirPods Gen 3. So on the front we have the customary picture of the earbuds. We have some words on the side. We have the Apple logo, as well as AirPods, MagSafe charging case, and another Apple logo. So as you can see, they've changed up the way you open the case. It's no longer just a smooth, you let it open. You actually have to rip this open first. And of course they have a picture of the earbuds in the case, as well as some other text. So just opening up the case, nice and smooth. That is nice and smooth for both sides. And then we can open it up. That is one thing that Apple always gets down, is the nice smooth release. And opening it up, of course, we have the customary, all the manuals that come with it. And we have the Custom Adventurist AirPods Gen 3. Taking them out of the case. Looking nice, definitely smaller than the AirPods Pro. And of course we have the charging cable underneath, and that's it for the AirPods Gen 3. Now for the AirPods Pro, of course we have the image of the earbuds on the front, Apple logos on both sides, and some text on this side, as well as AirPods Pro wireless charging case. And then on the back, of course, we have the customary picture of the earbuds in the case, as well as some other text below that. Now opening it up, that nice and smooth takeoff, which is customary for the AirPods. That is one of my favorite features of it, just this nice smooth release of the box. And then of course we have all the manuals that come along with it, and then the AirPods Pro themselves. Of course, definitely a little bigger than the AirPods Gen 3, and we'll get into that later. And then beneath, of course, we have the extra ear tips, as well as the Lightning to USB Type-C charging cable. And yeah, that's it for the packaging. Now let's look at the price of the two. The AirPods Pro go for around $250 US, while the AirPods Gen 3 go for around $180 US. Now for the audio quality of the two. Both the AirPods Pro and the AirPods Gen 3 have exceptional audio quality. However, as you would expect, the AirPods Gen 3 are better in just about every way. The AirPods Gen 3 have improved bass and treble, as well as improved spatial audio. Now, of course, one of the ways the AirPods Pro is still better than the AirPods Gen 3 is in the fact that the AirPods Gen 3 don't have noise cancellation, don't have transparency, and AirPods Pro do. Now, I don't know why they decided to get rid of the active noise cancellation and transparency. I honestly think they're just trying to make a hybrid between the AirPods 2 and the AirPods Pro, which is pretty much what the AirPods Gen 3 are. Now for the mic quality of the AirPods Gen 3. Alright, so in my ears right now are the AirPods Gen 3. And this is the mic quality you can expect from them. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Alright, I'm going to turn on the stadium crowd effect noise in 3, 2, 1. Alright, the stadium crowd effect noise is now on. Hopefully you can hear my voice loud and clear. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is the AirPods Gen 3. Now for the mic quality of the AirPods Pro.
Alright, so in my ears right now are the AirPods Pro, and this is my quality you can expect from them. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hopefully you can hear my voice loud and clear. We're just going to tap the side of the earbud to make sure it's coming from there. Alright, let's begin the stadium crowd effect noise. Alright, so now we have the stadium crowd effect noise in the background, and this is my quality you can expect from them. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hopefully you can hear my voice loud and clear through this loud ruckus. And yeah, testing, 1, 2, 3. AirPods Pro.
Now for the battery life of the two. The AirPods 3 claim to get around 6 hours of audio playback with an additional 30 hours with the case. The AirPods Pro get 5.5 hours of audio playback with an additional 24 hours with the case. I have confirmed the numbers for the AirPods Pro. I have not for the AirPods Gen 3. I will do that in a future battery drain test. Now for the features of the two. They both connect automatically when you pull them out of the case. Both of the AirPods have Hey Siri support. They both have IPX4 water resistance, making them sweat-proof and water resistant. They both have passive noise cancellation. They both contain ear sensors when you pull them out of the case. They pause automatically when you pull them out of the ear. However, the AirPods Gen 3 have software to be able to recognize whether or not the earbud is in your ear, and it will pause if it detects it is not in your ear. They both have customizable touch functions. Now for the design of the case. For both the AirPods Pro and the AirPods Gen 3, there's an indent about 3/4 of the way up in front of the case that allows you to open the case easier. And when closing the case, both of the earbuds have a very satisfying snap. Below the indent, there's an LED indicator on both that shows battery life and pairing. On the bottom of the case, there's a lightning charging port. On the back of the case, there's a button used for pairing. And on all other sides there is just a glossy white finish. For both of the cases, the lid is held down by magnets. For both of the cases, there are 2 holes in the top of the inside of the case to fit the earbuds. On the bottom of the case, there's an indent where the stem is stored, and at the bottom of that there are 2 metal points for charging. Now for the design of the earbuds. On the outside of the AirPods Pro, as well as the AirPods Gen 3, is a microphone covered by mesh. Above this microphone, there is another microphone on the AirPods Gen 3, which the AirPods Pro do not have. Then below this, on the stems of both of the earbuds, there's a haptic squeeze pad that controls the music, and in the case of the AirPods Pro, it controls the active noise cancellation feature. On the inside of the earbuds, both of them have an ear sensor, and next to that is the mesh covered speaker. The AirPods Pro have their proprietary ear tips, while the AirPods Gen 3 don't have any ear tips. Below that, on the AirPods Pro, there's an additional ear sensor which the AirPods Gen 3 don't have. Finally, on the stem below, there are 2 charging strips as well as letter indicators indicating which earbud is left and right. Alright, now we're going to see how the earbuds fit in my ears as well as do an earbud shake test. Let's begin with the AirPods Gen 3. Nice snug fit. It is definitely a good combo between the AirPods 2 and the AirPods Pro because they don't have the massive stem of the AirPods 2 and they don't have the ear tips, which can be annoying at times, of the AirPods Pro. So it's a good fit. Alright, let's see how they hold up in the shake test. And they stayed in perfectly well. You could do this all day. I don't think they'd come out. That's actually really impressive. Alright, now let's do the AirPods Pro. Alright, the AirPods Pro, putting them in. The nice snug tight with the ear tips. And yeah, they fit very well. I personally prefer the ear tips, so this is better for me, but I do understand the appeal for the earbuds without ear tips. Alright, so now we're going to do the shake test. And go. Okay, so I ended up shaking out both of the earbuds, which certainly wasn't as good as the AirPods Gen 3, but they lasted pretty long. And yeah, that's the earbud shake test. Now for the connectivity. We're going to do the AirPods Gen 3 first. Open up the case. Wait for a second. Pops up right there. Press connect. And just like that, you're good. You don't even have to use the button on the back. That's pretty nice. Alright, and then we can check out the stuff right here. You can of course change the name right there. You can change whether or not it connects automatically. You can adjust what type of spatial audio you have. You can switch which earbud the microphone goes to. You can also optimize the battery charging, and then you just have the details about the AirPods themselves and disconnecting and forgetting the device. Alright, sick. Let's go to the AirPods Pro. Alright, now for the AirPods Pro, just open up the case. Wait for a moment. Press connect. Hold the button on the back, which you don't have to do anymore for the Gen 3s. That's actually pretty nice. And just like that, you get the MIDI controls and you're connected. Now obviously we've seen this before. You can adjust the name. You can adjust the noise cancellation, transparency, or just normal. You can adjust the touch functions. That's interesting that you can't do that anymore for the Gen 3. You can do ear tip fit test, automatic ear detection, and then it connects to the phone automatically. You can adjust the spatial audio, as well as adjusting the microphone, and then all the details about the AirPods themselves. So the AirPods Pro do have more customization inside the settings, so that is definitely one detail where the AirPods Pro are still beating the Gen 3. And yeah, that's it for the connectivity. Now for my personal opinion, overall, both the AirPods Pro and the AirPods Gen 3 are high quality products. Unfortunately, because of this, they're both on the higher end of the price spectrum. But if you have the money and you want a good product, these are both excellent examples. The AirPods 3, in my opinion, are the better choice at the moment because they're newer, they have updated software, they have all-around improved audio quality, unless the only reason you would not want to get the AirPods Gen 3 over the AirPods Pro is if noise cancellation is a big priority for you. Alright, thank you all so much for watching. If you would like to check these out, their links will be in the description below. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and peace!